Hello friends, I am Mr. R. Nikam and you are watching my YouTube channel Ramdas Nikam. I request you to subscribe my channel to receive the notification quickly. मी आर एन निकम आपणास विनंती करतो की सदर चॅनल आपण त्या ठिकाणी सबस्क्राईब करावा. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डील विथ 1.4 subunit, that is Big data, big insights. Big data is used to describe a huge collection of data. This text tells us about the methods of collection of data, its advantages in the various fields of life, etc. etc. First, now we are going to deal with brainstorming activities. Brainstorming activity number 1. YouTube has many videos on various things. Listen to the uses and health benefits of a lemon and share them with your friends. म्हणजेच मित्र हो, यूट्यूबवर विविध गोष्टींविषयी असलेल्या अनेक व्हिडिओ उपलब्ध असतात. लिंबूचे उपयोग व आरोग्यदायक फायद्याविषयी ऐका आणि मित्रांना सांगा असं या ठिकाणी आपल्याला सांगितलं आहे. बघूया त्याचं उत्तर. Let's get the probable answer. Here are 7 ways your body may benefit from lemon and lemon water. It promotes hydration. It's a good source of vitamin C. It supports weight loss. It improves your skin quality. It aids digestion. It refresh breath. It helps prevent kidney stones. Lemons are high in vitamin C, fiber and various beneficial plant compounds. These nutrients are responsible for several health benefits. In fact, lemons may support heart health, weight control and digestive health. Here are 6 evidence-based health benefits of lemons. Brainstorming activity number 2. 1. Make point-wise notes from the lesson regarding the uses of big data in the following application. Do not write complete sentences. म्हणजे खालील मुद्द्यांकरिता पाठातून बिग डेटाच्या उपयोगाविषयी मुद्देसूद टिपल्या पूर्ण वाक्य लिहिण्याची गरज नाही असं या ठिकाणी सांगितलेलं आहे. पहिलं आहे लोकेशन ट्रॅकिंग. म्हणजे लोकेशन ट्रॅकिंगसाठी होणारा उपयोग बिग डेटाचा कसा आहे त्याबद्दल आपण या ठिकाणी माहिती बघूया. Answers. A. Location tracking. Number 1. It is used by GPS, Global Positioning System and Google Maps to identify and track location of a place. Number 2. It is used for geographical positioning and radio frequency identification sensors. Number 3. We get the real-time data about traffic congestion on particular route. Number 4. Logistic companies use it to reduce risks in transport, improve speed and reliability in delivery. These are the points. B. हेल्थ केअर इंडस्ट्री म्हणजे आरोग्य सेवा उद्योग. लेट्स गेट इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस पॉइंट. आन्सर ऑफ हेल्थ केअर इंडस्ट्री. नंबर 1. दी स्मार्ट वॉचेस, अदर वेअरेबल health apps in our phone keep on collecting data. Number 2. Data analyzed and feedback provided. Number 3. Doctors can have a better diagnosis of any ailment. Number 4. Past data of patient is maintained. Number 5. Data helps in monitoring the outbreak of epidemics and diseases. C. Education industry म्हणजे शिक्षण उद्योग किंवा शिक्षण क्षेत्र. Let's get information about this education industry points. Number 1. Get information about students and their study patterns. Prepare customized and dynamic learning programs according to the need of an individual student. Number 2. Course material can be designed for catering to different requirements of the students. Number 3. Students choices, difficulties, results are available. Number 4. Students' strengths and weaknesses can be gauged. Brainstorming activity number 2, sub-activity number 2. When you are asked for personal details on social media, what precautions will you take? Discuss in pairs and write down. म्हणजे जेव्हा तुम्हाला सोशल मीडियावरती तुमचा वैयक्तिक तपशील विचारला जाईल अशा वेळी तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी कोणती प्रिकॉशन किंवा खबरदारी घ्याल तर या संदर्भात तुम्ही काय करायचं आहे तर गटागटाने चर्चा करा आणि लिहून काढा तुमची चर्चा असं या ठिकाणी सांगितलं आहे. बघूया. Activity 2, sub-activity 2, answer. When I am asked for personal details on social media At first, I will try to know who is the person asking for these details. I will never share my important information to the unknown person regarding the banking, debit card, credit card, PIN number or OTP. Even if the bank is asking me, I will never give my mobile or Aadhaar card numbers to unknown person. I will keep my social media account private to my friends only. This is the answer. Subjectivity number 3. Do you think all the data we receive is used for positive things? If no, make a list of the negative things which can be done with the help of big data. मित्र, याचा अर्थ असा की आपल्यापर्यंत पोचविणारी सर्व जी काही माहिती असते ती सकारात्मक गोष्टींकरता वापरली जाते असं तुम्हाला वाटतं का? जर तुमचं उत्तर नाही असेल तर बिग डेटाच्या सहाय्याने केल्या जाणाऱ्या नकारात्मक गोष्टींची तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी लिस्ट किंवा यादी बनवायला सांगितलं आहे. बघूया. The answer of this activity is negative things. Number 1, loss of privacy because big data has all information about us. Number 2, misuse of personal information. Number 3, if the data falls into wrong hands and person may be harassed. Number 4, leaking of personal information may lead theft, blackmailing and cheating also. You can also add your own points. Activity number 3. Guess the meaning of the following idioms and phrases and use them in sentences of your own. One is done for you. म्हणजे खाली काही वाक्प्रचार किंवा शब्दसमूह दिलेले आहेत तर त्याचा अर्थ आपल्याला शोधायला सांगितला आहे आणि वाक्यात उपयोग करायला पण सांगितलेला आहे. एक सॅम्पल या ठिकाणी आपल्याला बनवून दाखवलेलं आहे. वन साईज फिट्स ऑल, suitable for all, used in all circumstances. The wrist watches have adjustable belts, so one size fits all. Other is once in a blue moon, one man army, see one button twice day, and number 3, one up on. Now let's get the meaning and sentences. Number A, once in a blue moon meaning very rarely. My father is very strict person and smiles only once in a blue moon. B, one man army meaning is someone who can do everything by himself without assistant. My mother is one man army for her daily chores. C, once bitten twice shy. Let's find out its meaning. Once bitten twice shy. Its meaning is an unpleasant experience induces caution. Sentence is I am really worried about of using elevator again since I was stuck into it for hours, once bitten twice shy. And the last one, D, one up on meaning is having an advantage over someone. You are always trying to be one up on whoever you are with. These are the meanings and we have tried to make the sentences also. Do as directed. Activity number 4. 1. A. Advertisers are one of the biggest players in big data. Suggestion is number 1, begin the sentence with very few dash dash dash. And number 2 suggestion is use bigger than and write the sentences. Means these are the degree sentences. B, no other diagnosis is as good as the diagnosis done with the help of a big data. Number 1, use best and rewrite the sentence. Number 2, use better than and rewrite the sentences. Number C, these internet giants provide the greatest data about people. Number 1, begin the sentence with no other. And 2 is use greater than and rewrite the sentences. I think these are the degree sentences. These 3 sentences we have to solve. We have to prepare 2 sentences of each statement by using the suggestions. Now let's get the answers. A, advertisers are one of the biggest players in big data. Number 1, begin the sentence with very few players. The sentence is very few players in big data are as big as advertisers. And number 2, use bigger than and rewrite the sentence. Very few players in big data are bigger than advertisers. These are the answers of the first statement. Number 2. No other diagnosis is as good as the diagnosis done with the help of big data. Number 1. Use best and read the sentence. The answer is the diagnosis done with the help of big data is the best diagnosis. Number 2. Use better than the and read the sentence. No other diagnosis is better than the diagnosis done with the help of big data. Number C. These internet giants provide the greatest data about people. The suggestion is begin the sentence with no other. The answer is no other internet giants provide the greater data about people than these internet giants. Number 2. Use greater than and read the sentence. The answer is no other internet services provide greater data about people than these internet. Activity 4, Sub-activity 2. Read the sentence from the text. New insights have enabled the banks and finance companies to come up with suitable plans. This sentence can be rewritten as new insights have enabled the banks as well as finance companies to come with suitable plans. Remember, as well as serves the same purpose as that of coordinating the conjunction and in the sentence. When one of them is inserted in the sentence, other should be removed. Use as well as either or in the following sentences. Number 1. Whatever activity we do online is recorded, monitored and analyzed. B. Big data has been useful in identifying and tracking the exact location of place. C. Weather sensors and satellites help us to understand the weather and help in weather forecasting. D. Big data helps in monitoring the outbreaks of epidemics and diseases. E. The insights have enabled the banks and finance companies to come up with suitable plans. Brainstorming activity number 4, sub-activity 2. Use as well as either or in the following sentences. Whatever activity we do online is recorded, monitored and analyzed. The answer is whatever activity we do on online is recorded, monitored as well as analyzed. Number 2, whatever activity we do online is either monitored or analyzed. B. Big data has been useful in identifying and tracking the exact location of the place. The answer is big data has been useful in identifying as well as taking the exact location of the place. And second is big data has been useful in either identifying or tracking the exact location of a place. Now C. Weather sensors and satellites help us to understand the weather and help in weather forecasting. The answers are weather sensors and satellites help us to understand the weather as well as help in weather forecasting. Number 2, weather sensors and satellites help to either understand the weather or help in weather forecasting. Number D. Big data helps in monitoring the outbreaks of epidemics and disease. The answer is big data helps in monitoring the outbreaks of epidemics as well as diseases. B. Big data helps in monitoring the outbreaks of either epidemics or diseases. And the last one is E. New insights have enabled the banks and finance companies to come up with suitable plans. The answer is new insights have enabled banks as well as finance companies to come up with suitable plans. Number 2, new insights have enabled either the bank or finance companies to come up with suitable plans. These are the answers. Plans नाही plan पाहिजे तिथे. Activity number 5A. Interview the students of your class regarding the career they would like to pursue and the reason for selecting that particular career. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी असं म्हटलं की तुमच्या वर्गातल्या विद्यार्थ्यांची करिअरविषयी म्हणजे व्यवसायाविषयी त्यांना जो व्यवसाय मिळवायचा त्या व्यवसायाविषयी आणि त्यामागची कारणांविषयी त्या ठिकाणी मुलाखत घ्यायला सांगितलेलं आहे. कलेक्ट द डाटा ऑफ युअर क्लास अँड ॲनालाइज द इन्फॉर्मेशन यू हॅव कलेक्टेड. तसंच त्या ठिकाणी विद्यार्थ्यांची वर्गाची माहिती आपल्याला या ठिकाणी मिळवायची आहे आणि पुन्हा त्या माहितीचं आपल्याला विश्लेषण करायला सांगितलेलं आहे. बघूया त्याचं उत्तर. Interview questions. Hello Raj, I would like to ask you a few questions regarding the career you would like to pursue and the reason for selecting that particular career. Are you ready? Number 1. How do you fare at school? Number 2. Which are your favorite subjects? Your पाहिजे रिव्हर्स झाले. Number 3. Have you decided on the career you would like to pursue? Number 4. What are the examinations you must have to appear for this career? Number 5. What are the job opportunities? Interview question number 6. Who is your inspiration? Interview question number 7. Are your family members happy with your career choice? Number 8. Is it possible for you to be successful in this field? Number 9. What message would you like to give the younger generation? Thanks Raj for this beautiful interview. Activity 5 Subactivity 2. To listen well is a powerful means of influence as to talk well and is the essential to all true conversations. Form a group and have a group discussion on the topic. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ असा की लक्षपूर्वक ऐकणे हे उत्तम प्रकारे बोलण्या इतकंच परिणामकारक असतं आणि उत्तम संवाद घडविण्यासाठी ते आवश्यक असतं. तर गट तयार करा आणि त्याच्यावरती चर्चा करायला आपल्याला सांगितले आहे. नंबर 1 इज सोशल मीडिया कर्स ऑर बून. नंबर 2 वुमेन and equity and see climate change. Now let's try to find out its answers. The answers are a social media curse or boon. Social media a curse first. Number 1, it makes people addicted to it, which affects their daily life activities. 2, it makes people careless about the traffic rules, that is using phone while driving, leading to accidents and danger to life. Number 3, it increases cases of cybercrime such as stalking, cyber bullying, etc. Number 4, it reduces physical activity of an individual, leading to healthy lifestyle by devoting more time to it. Number 5, it increases the chance of losing all your personal data being provided in social networking sites to hackers, which can further used by them in cyber frauds. Social media a boon. Number 1, it helps us to communicate with our near and dear ones. Number 2, it helps us to interact with people from different community and country. Number 3, it helps to gain vast and diversified knowledge through different web pages and blogs. Number 4, it opens doors for online businesses by promoting their brand through social media. Conclusion is that social media can be both a curse and boon, so to make good use of it. Conclusion. Number 1, limited use. Don't share personal details. Number 3, be aware of the cyber laws prevailing in India. Number 4, just like every coin has two faces, everything in this world has its own pros and cons. Be aware of all the cons and act accordingly. These are the answers. And number B, women empowerment and equality. Empowerment of women is necessary for the very development of a society, since it enhances both the quality and the quantity of human resources available for development. Empowerment is one of the main procedural concerns when addressing human rights and development. Equality is about ensuring that every individual has an equal opportunity to make the most of their lives and talents. It is quality and personal make most of the lives and talents. It also the belief that no one should have poorer life chances because of the way they were born, where they come from, what they believe, or whether they have disability. This is probable answer. You can take a screenshots for the answers. The last one is climate change. Climate change is a change in the pattern of weather and related changes in oceans, land surfaces and ice sheets occurring over time scales of decades or longer. Weather is the state of the atmosphere, its temperature, humidity, wind, rainfall and so on over hours to weeks. Natural causes of climate change forecast that contribute to climate change includes the sun's intensity, volcano eruptions and changes in natural occurring greenhouse gas concentrations. These are the answers. You have to write. Activity number 6. Find out job opportunities in the following areas and the skills required for them. A. Clinical data management. B. Data operations and research. B. Network operations. E. Data entry operator operations. Data processing. Friends, with hard effort these videos are made. I request you please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching this beautiful video. Thank you.